In this video, we'll show you that she's good about having her feet picked. Her feet picked. They're pretty clean. We'll show you that Gigi has been vacuumed regularly, and having a hose down by her legs doesn't bother her at all. I'm going to turn this off because I don't think you need to see the whole process. You can tell she's very quiet, doesn't move. Next, we will saddle her and I will ride her. Gigi has not been ridden in about a week and a half, so you will see how she behaves after having some time off. I had a couple of horse shows that I went to and spent the week before the show getting ready to go out of town, and I do have another horse that I show regularly